Right, good evening everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're all doing well wherever you happen to be in the world right now. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience and in turn grow the channel. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. I don't normally make videos on Saturdays, but I was just reading a video about VeChain, reading an article about VeChain. Talking about how they're going to be getting involved in the global healthcare system and their solutions to sorting out supply chain logistics within that sector, which were highlighted during the COVID-19 pandemic. So it's quite interesting stuff and can only bode well for the project. So we'll get to that. I'll look at the charts and then, give you my thoughts. So I'll start off with the cryptocurrency market. We've got a market cap of $1.18 trillion. Not much movement really. It's down 0.08% today, which is nothing. Trading volume is obviously low at the weekend. It's $33 billion. Bitcoin dominance is up. It's at 46.4%. Bitcoin itself is currently trading at just over $28,355. So it's doing quite well. It's holding on to its gain, just not giving anything back over the weekend. Ethereum is pushed above $1,800 again. Cardano is predominantly holding on to those gains. XRP still holding that 50 cent level. Solana still maintaining its place in the top 10. So not much change really with among the top 10 like the big coins, but looking at the past 24 hours, I've not checked this yet, but nothing major. There's a couple of projects there. Shiba Inu's up a little bit. I've bought some of those, God knows why, but I've been holding on to them for a while. So is Dogecoin, funnily enough. So the meme coins seem to be doing right, and this Injective INJ, which I'm not really familiar with, that's up 34% in the week. So nothing major when you go to the big moves on the day. Looking at the chart on VeChain, not much movement there, to be honest with you. We're sort of stuck. We found support at 0.022, which was resistance for some time, but we seem to be hovering around that zone. We pushed above it yesterday. We've been using the daily 100 as support pretty much for the last few days, and momentum is positive on the histogram, but the MACD and signal line are both below the zero line. So it's there's nothing especially bullish. It just looks like we're in a sort of holding consolidation pattern at the moment. If you move down to the 4 hourly, you can see things look a little bit more bright with the MACD and signal line both above the zero and with positive momentum. You can see again we've tested this 4 hourly 100 and bounced off it, so we're getting a reaction to it every time we touch it. So with price above the 50 and above the 100, things look fairly bullish on that time frame, with a push up towards the prior highs of Friday the 23rd of May, which is just over a week ago, which is at 0.024. So there is potential movement to the upside, but bear in mind it is Saturday, so there might not be much movement. With retail traders being away, obviously, away from their desks and whatnot. So not retail, institutional. Sorry, I'm getting my words muddled up. That's why I don't normally make videos on a Saturday. But moving on to this article, which I did actually find quite interesting. It's only a very quick read, but I'll go through it and I'll link it down below so you can take from it what you will. It's on Crypto Newsflash. VeChain to transform billion-dollar healthcare sector with efficient supply chain management. VeChain has been tipped as a viable protocol to transform the health sector's supply chain management. This role is an expansion of the protocol's integration in other sectors. Sorry, I just dropped my pen, you probably heard that. VeChain is recognized as a layer 1 enterprise blockchain outfit that is designed to bolster efficient supply chain management, even in the healthcare industry. According to insights shared by prolific VeChain educator Sebastian Rock, the potential of the protocol for use in the healthcare supply chain ecosystem is highlighted with the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic. During the pandemic, the healthcare industry was stretched thin, with the demand for medicine and drug supplies skyrocketing. With the demand, the need for quality assurance and authenticity becomes very important, and VeChain has the standard to meet this challenge. Blockchain technology like VeChain has emerged as a potential solution to these challenges, providing real-time tracking and monitoring of medical supplies, Sebastian said in his Twitter thread, adding, "By using VeChain's blockchain-based platform, healthcare providers can ensure that critical medical supplies are authentic, helping to reduce the risk of counterfeit products." I don't know if you're aware, but there is a massive issue with counterfeit medicine out there. You can go onto a myriad of websites and buy antibiotics, antidepressants, anti-anxiety medications, and they're just made in like little backroom labs and that. But the packaging looks perfect. So that is, you could be taking rat poison for all you know, so you need to steer clear of that. But so if they're able to get the authentic medication tracked through the blockchain, what you're taking and the end user is getting is genuine. And that is, I know it sounds basic, but it's pretty critical that what you get from your pharmacy or your hospital is the genuine thing. Anyway, I digress. The core features of blockchain technology, which enable the recording of data that are not alterable, have made VeChain develop functional solutions that are tailored for the supply chain management. According to Sebastian, citing research work that detailed the benefits of the VeChain in the healthcare ecosystem, the protocol can help to prevent disruptions in the supply chain cycle. In addition, the researchers highlighted that VeChain solutions can help transform this sector by improving overall healthcare outcomes. Without bias, Sebastian noted there are several other blockchain protocols whose technological advancement can also help in upgrading the current supply chain of the healthcare sector. It was acknowledged that blockchain protocols can play a major role in the evolution of this industry. By harnessing the power of blockchain technology, healthcare providers can work towards a more efficient and reliable supply chain, providing better care for patients worldwide. While VeChain has thrived as a smart contract-enabled platform, the protocol has carved a niche for itself as a highly diversified supply chain powering many industries. According to previous reports by Crypto Newsflash, VeChain's Chief Executive Officer Sunny Lu presented blockchain-powered innovative solutions to Hong Kong Treasury to drive a vibrant digital economy. VeChain has also entered the agricultural ecosystem, where its solutions were drafted to help advance the project for tracing Yongpu coffee. The role of VeChain was recognized by the China Safety Authority, highlighting how much importance and recognition the protocol has garnered for its role. VeChain's role in the sustainable ecosystem is also very prominent, with the advanced immutability of tech, waste management systems and carbon management innovations are also designed to aid the easy adaptation and spread of the solution. VeChain is thriving in its role as an enterprise smart contract outfit, and its usage is driving good growth in several industries around the world. So I'm sure you're aware they're involved in shipping, supply chain, medicine, food, tracking of genuine goods to prevent counterfeits. They're involved in so many different industries, so many partnerships. And people say to me, "Oh, there's so many partnerships, but no price movement." We're not in a bull market yet, and I think that when we are in a bull market, VeChain will be one of the projects that will fly, along with some of the other ones that I cover, like HBAR, Solana. There's a few projects that I cover on this channel. Cardano. Obviously, not all of them are going to go, but VeChain is one that I believe in very strongly. I didn't check the VeChain page on CoinMarketCap, so before I finish, I'll go over that. So you can see we're down 0.61% against the US dollar, trading at 0.023. Market cap 1.68 billion. 24-hour trading volume of $39.5 billion. Circulating supply is still 72.51 billion VeChain, which is 82.3% of the total supply. Can we see where we're ranked? 36th. We're the 36th ranked crypto, so we're up there. We're poised and ready to pounce when the time comes. So I just thought I'd go over that while I watch the undercard of the boxing that's going on now. Oh, there's been a knockout. I've just missed that. Oh, interesting. Ammo Williams was losing that fight, but someone managed to knock someone out. Anyway, I digress. Right, I shouldn't make videos while I'm watching television anyway. So thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions you may have, please leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.